Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're watching this video, we are already connected, and to make the relation even stronger, I request you to please subscribe to this channel so we can continue making videos for you. So today's review is about Galaxy F02s phone from Samsung, which is available on Flipkart at about 9,000 rupees approximately. So today we'll be unboxing this phone, and we'll see what is so special about this phone and how good it is. And later on I'll be sharing you some pictures that I'll click on this camera itself. This phone that comes with like 13 megapixel camera. So we'll just open and see what's there in the box first of all. So I'll just remove this first, and as soon as we remove this we get a booklet, so or the instruction manual, warranty card. This phone comes with a 1 year standard warranty from Samsung, of course. And Samsung itself is a very good brand. If you buy a Samsung, you cannot go wrong with this specific product. So irrespective of the product you're buying, that is coming from personal experience that I've been using Samsung since long time. So they have always worked well for me. That's why. So this is the warranty card and quick start guide. So I always recommend that you just go through the quick start guide and the installation instructions, so that you can simply read and follow the process step by step. So just take out the product itself. This comes wrapped in a nice polythene. So the phone itself, this is how it looks, and this is a decent phone you can carry easily on one hand. And this comes with this triple camera setup and flash. The phone comes with 13 megapixel rear camera, 13 plus 2 plus 2 megapixel. So it's a 3 camera setup. And in front you will see this small camera, which is again a 5 megapixel unit. The phone also comes with a 5000 mAh battery and 6.5 inches screen, but you can easily hold it via one hand. This specific black color, I really like this black color, and it looks really nice in the hand. You can easily hold and use it. So let's keep this aside for a moment and see what else is there in the box. So this is again a charger as a standard accessory. You see the charger. It is also a fast charger, the 5 volt 1.55 ampere. So this is a good addition. Normally in this price range Samsung provides regular chargers, and this is a charger with type C port, which is in the trend. So nice addition. And you get a SIM ejector tool right here. You can insert a SIM using this, and that's it. So I'll just keep the box on one side and remove everything so that we can have a good look at phone. So this is the phone. This is how it looks in the flesh. This is the charging port section and a 3.5 mm jack. Earplugs are not provided with the phone, but these days no company provides it, so Samsung is no exception. So just switch it on and let's see how it goes. It reads branding first of all, powered by Android 11 or Android 10, we'll see. Switching on the phone for the first time, it is an amazing experience itself. So again, the branding reads Samsung. It's everywhere. I specifically like this rear panel, and in black color it looks like simply amazing. So Android is just starting up, and we have to do like initial setup before we move forward. So English is fine, United Kingdom, move next. And it reads What else? We have to agree with everything, otherwise it will not allow us to move forward. Next, and just click this particular section, or maybe we can skip it for that moment. We can do this setup later on. Next, later we can download everything later. Right now it's not required, and the phone will take its sweet time to get everything set up. And now it's time to accept Google terms because it comes with Android. Skip. Okay, so password and all we'll can do it later on anytime. Next, we can skip the tour. Okay, finish. It's taking a little time, and done. Okay. To check all the applications available in the phone, you simply swipe up, and these are the applications that you get as standard. These are Google applications: Gmail, Google Chrome, Drive, and YouTube. And then there is calendar, basic apps like basic Samsung apps like one Samsung browser and FM radio, voice recorder. These are like standard applications that you get with the phone. And you can go to settings, set up connections if you have Wi-Fi connection. It is always good to update the software whenever you get a new phone, so in case any download is required, phone can do it in the initial stages as well, and before you insert the SIM. It is always good. Then there's user manual, step-by-step instruction to, again, it will come only after you connect the internet. Then you have, in settings, you have notifications, display settings, wallpaper, themes, screen lock, all the settings you can use as per your preferences. And that's about it. So this is the phone. End of this video, I will be attaching pictures clicked via this phone using rear camera 13 megapixel, 2 megapixel and 2, which is a 3 camera setup. And before buying this phone, you can have a look at these pictures and decide how good is the picture quality of this camera, and this F02s camera, and then take your decision. Thank you guys for watching, and do subscribe to our channel so that we can continue making videos for you. Thank you.